A couple weeks ago I turned 30, and if I could go back to talk to my 20-year-old self and give him some advice, here are the 50 things I would say. Number 1. Work on your willpower. You will never reach your full potential or outwork your rivals if you can't focus for long-term periods of time. This was true when I was younger, but it's even more relevant now with so many distractions, social media, endless scrolling, and the urge to check in constantly. If you can focus and work hard, you'll be miles ahead of everyone else. So why not treat this video as a little test? If you watch it all the way through without skipping and actually absorb everything on a deep level, then you are already in the minority. Number 2. Become more of a producer than a consumer. Sure, learning is key, but if you are always taking in content without creating anything, your time will vanish. I wasted months obsessively watching investment videos before I actually started investing myself. The moment I began acting, putting even $200 to work from my first paycheck, I started learning exponentially faster. Number 3. Be kind to people early in their journey. I've seen people I underestimated when they started side hustles, only to watch them build incredible businesses later. Support them, connect genuinely, and you might find yourself part of their success story too. Number 4. Observe what most people are doing and then do the opposite. Most of my friends were saving in low interest accounts or spending freely on vacations. Meanwhile, I started investing small amounts consistently in ETFs and stocks. It wasn't glamorous, but by avoiding the common path, I ended up ahead. If you do what everyone else does, you will get the same result. Reject normality. Number 5. Who you know matters far more than what you know. Networking in your 20s pays off. Some of my earliest investing opportunities came from people I met online or at meetups. Connections that turn into mentorship, insights, and deals. Number 6. Never talk behind someone's back. Criticism is fine if it's constructive, but gossip erodes trust. People notice, trust me. Number 7. Allow yourself to make mistakes. My first attempts at investing weren't perfect. I lost money on a few trades, but those mistakes taught me lessons no video could. Failing is growth, embrace it. Number 8. Make reversible decisions quickly. I learned this while deciding whether to invest in a small startup. The risk was manageable, so I acted fast. Waiting too long often costs more than the wrong choice. Number 9. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking is a myth. When I split my attention between side hustles, investing, and social media, I barely advanced. Focus deeply and you will achieve far more. Number 10. Don't be the best, be the only. Combine skills in unusual ways. For example, I mixed knowledge of stocks with understanding US and Europe markets, which allowed me to find opportunities many others overlook. Be unique. Number 11. If you don't like something, change it or change your attitude. I used to complain about low wages in my first job. Once I invested and started side hustles, I realized complaining doesn't pay bills. Action does. Number 12. Work smart, not just hard. Investing small amounts consistently gave better results than working overtime for short-term cash. Technology is your friend. Use it to scale your efforts. Number 13. Learn from everyone. Even people younger than you might have insights. Ignore ego. In my early 20s, I dismissed some advice from peers about ETFs. Now I realize that every perspective counts. Number 14. Respect your elders. Not everyone's advice is perfect, but experience teaches faster than trial and error. Listen first, decide later. Number 15. Don't fear change, embrace it. When the pandemic hit, I pivoted from in-person projects to online investment strategies. Those who resisted lost opportunities. Number 16. Live in the moment, not on your phone. You will never get back certain experiences, friend nights, family moments, spontaneous trips. Enjoy them fully. Number 17. Always honor commitments. Whether it's paying a friend back or keeping a promise, reliability builds trust, and trust is everything. Number 18. Say no if you are not ready. I didn't jump into every high risk investment immediately. Knowing your limits prevents bigger mistakes. Number 19. Present yourself intentionally. Your appearance, communication, and digital presence shape opportunities. Treat it like an investment. Number 20. Mentally prepare for loss. Life will throw setbacks. Losing money, relationships, or opportunities happens. Preparing mentally allows resilience and faster recovery. Number 21. Don't take rejection personally. Failed pitches, declined job offers. They are feedback, not judgment of your worth. Number 22. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Short naps or breaks improve productivity. Something I only learned after burnout in my mid-20s. Number 23. Learn from opposing views. Exposure to differing opinions sharpens strategy, especially in investing. Number 24. Never be late. Punctuality shows respect and professionalism. It opens doors. Number 25. Let your values drive you, not money. Family, honesty, and integrity guided my choices. Profit follows when principles are intact. Number 26. Act on vision, not fear. Focus on building, not avoiding loss. Fear-based decisions limit growth. Number 27. Stand up to bullies or naysayers. Whether at work or online, protect your confidence and ambitions. Number 28. Leverage your advantages. Skills, connections, timing. Identify and use them. I used early exposure to US markets as my edge in Europe. Number 29. Skip flashy purchases in your 20s. Avoid luxury cars and designer gear. Invest instead. Wealth compounds faster that way. Number 30. Protect your reputation. Your character outlives your accomplishments. Build it carefully. Number 31. Avoid comparing yourself to peers. Everyone's path is unique. Focus on improvement. Number 32. Don't let a bad day spiral. One loss doesn't ruin a week. Keep perspective. Number 33. Pay off credit cards monthly. Interest is a silent wealth killer. Discipline beats luck. Number 34. Any job is valuable early on. Even small gigs teach responsibility, networking, and work ethic. Number 35. Research before investing. Blindly following trends will cost you. Always check fundamentals. Number 36. Master storytelling. Whether pitching ideas or sharing insights, compelling narratives get attention and trust. Number 37. Live for yourself, not others. Build your dream life, not one dictated by friends, family, or social pressure. Number 38. Establish a paycheck routine. I have followed a simple formula. 50% essentials, 20% needs, 30% invest. When possible. Number 39. It's okay to not have it all figured out. Life is learning as you go. Even now I'm still figuring things out. Number 40. Start retirement investing early. Small consistent contributions to ETFs, index funds, or European equivalent growth exponentially over decades. Number 41. Ask better questions. Thoughtful questions get meaningful answers. Lazily phrased ones get ignored. Number 42. Enjoy the journey. Success is a series of moments, not a single destination. Appreciate daily wins. Number 43. Nothing is free. Time or money is always spent. Value both early. Number 44. Stop waiting for inspiration. Just act. I started investing before feeling ready. Action built motivation. Number 45. Work hard now for an easier life later. Early discipline compounds into decades of freedom. Number 46. Tackle tough tasks first. Morning focus on the hardest work sets the tone and reduces stress. Number 47. The university name doesn't define you. Skills, persistence, and application matter far more than prestige. Number 48. Protect your back. Health impacts productivity and longevity. Ergonomics now prevent pain later. Number 49. Don't stress about being different. Number 50. Choose your partner wisely. My supportive girlfriend played a huge role in my financial growth. Shared goals, respect, and vision matter far more than fleeting attractions. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? I will see you there.